looks like he's a full-grown puppy now.
He's taking his first steps.
I've taken a picture or a video.
Oh, look at him on his legs like he's trying.
Oh, he's trying. My baby's trying.
He's like, how
Oh, he's
does my
having
mom?
trouble
No, because
getting
his
his
legs are
back legs up.
long. That's why he has to get his whole body up.
Good, good.
Look at him.
Good.
Good boy.
He's like, why is it so tiring?
He's like, Mom, where'd you go?
Okay. Right, like that. Like that. Now balance.
Oh, what a
balance.
good little
Balance.
boy.
Good guy. He's balancing, Mom. I'm like just keeping him in place, but like he's balancing himself. Oh. He fell.
Oh, little pig.
Pickles. 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 I'm a tickle. I'm a She's like, why are you paying attention to him and not me? I don't
Yep.
know. I'm gonna use it as a napkin. He's like, I want the attention. I want the attention. Yeah, you want the attention, baby girls. I gave you attention. Now go. Be gone. Oh, your baby's sniffing your leg.
Oh, poor piggy.
Was he walking?
Yes, he keeps trying to walk, but he falls over. He's a baby, guys. Don't laugh at him.
Hi. There's 2 more carts of raspberries for me.
Tom, go say hi to
Back
pig.
then he looked like a riff. Back then, without his eyes, he looked like a rough little dude that would beat you up. And now he just looks like a peaceful little puppy.
Mhm.
Hi guys. Jane. You're blocking the camera. Ow! I want to spend time with my brother. This isn't your brother. This is your. Wait. What do you say when you're a grandma, and then you have a brother? What does the baby call him? I'm the littlest of Does he call him like an uncle? Mom?
Brownie is sad because you're not paying attention to her.
If I have a brother and I'm the mom of both of her and she has a baby, what would she
That's
call?
Grunkle Tom.
Oh, hi, Grunkle. I'm gonna open the door. Someone's at the door.